Hello, welcome to ClinicRoom, next generation text/notebook in general practice. Let's learn how to use the platform. I am Dr. Ramindhu Galgamuwa. I am a fellow of the Royal Australian College of General Practitioners. I fellowed in 2019. In 2018, for the KFP segment of the RACGP fellowship exam, I scored among the highest in Australia with over or close to 20 marks above the pass mark. Currently, I'm an examiner for RACGP clinical exam. Academically, my PhD is in pharmacology from the Australian National University, and I work as a visiting fellow for the John Curtin School of Medical Research. Let's learn how to use ClinicRoom and what this program is about. Now, all that you need to know for the fellowship exam, as well as your day-to-day practice as a GP in Australia, is available in 4 different chapters. Now, I conduct 20 live webinars, which are weekly webinars, and the weekly webinar timetable is available here. Now, once you sign in, you have a very clear background with a search function. You can search any of the topics out of the 700 notes that we have in the search bar. As I told you, the notes are available in 4 different chapters in an alphabetical order. Now, chapter 1, 2, 3 contains all the main topics or the major topics. Chapter 4 contains the minor topics. You can create your own topics in chapter 5. Chapter 7 is the exam chapter where you have the KFP questions and the AKT questions, as well as the recorded webinars. So all webinars are recorded and uploaded here. Now, in this index, you can add new topics in any name that you want. So when you add, it will be visible in an alphabetical order. You can add any of the lessons there. And you can create your own notes within this section. So that's why we call this a notebook. Now, you can also add PDFs. Let's add this PDF. You add it here, upload, and save it. Now, this PDF can only be seen by you. So that's why we call it the learning management system. So you can save all your content in this platform. Now, you can also create lessons within any other topic. So under Aboriginal, if you need to create a topic, you can create like this. And just like adding a PDF, you can also add a screenshot. So imagine you read a interesting article and you want to add this part into your notes. So you go add that in take a screenshot, save it in the desktop, and you can save it here and save it. So you will have that screenshot in your notes. Now, while reading your notes, if you see that you need to add something within the notes, you can press this cross here. You will get a red bar, and then you can write whatever the things that you want to and save, and then press this again. Now, this will always be visible for you and only for you. So this is your personalized notebook. So you can create topics, lessons, and you can add notes anywhere you want. Now there is a reading mode and a bookmark. Now the bookmark, if you bookmark a note, it will be available here. So these are the bookmarks that we have done just now. My notes, the notes that you create, and reads are the things that you've read. Then you have a trash. If you delete any of your notes, it will come in the trash. Now, there is a notification. This would have all the webinar links posted about 24 hours before the webinar. So you can find your webinar link here under notifications. Now, during the program, I will be updating most of these topics. And when I update, I send you a notification here as well. Right? So notifications are important in joining webinars and getting to know the new sections added. Now, subscription plans finally. The subscription plans can be chosen based on the exam that you do. Now, the difference in pricing is only based on the duration of access. The content that you access for is the same. You can now use Afterpay to purchase subscription. So when you use Afterpay, the payments are happening in 4 monthly installments. Thank you very much for attending this YouTube video. Hope you enjoy ClinicRoom, the next generation text/notebook in general practice, which would be an ideal learning platform for your fellowship exam. Thank you.